Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Pad 2 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me will be the home screen that is already open and visible on the screen. Once the content you wish to capture is visible for you, all you will need to do is press the power button and the volume down at the same time. You get this flash. Now if it's not capturing your screenshot right away, hold these two buttons. But anyway, once you do, you get this pop-up. First time around, it gives you a quick info that you can basically capture a scrollable screenshot, though not here. That's why it's grayed out. Content needs to be actually scrollable. As an example, something like a web page. And you can also send it, or aka share it. Second time around, when you capture a screenshot, it will look like this and then just on its own vanish. So once the screenshot disappears, you can find every screenshot that I have captured in your gallery application. Just let me go back, because normally you would be located under photos. Now here you will find your screenshots, but there's a much better way to locate every screenshot that I have captured, and that would be by going into collections. And then in collections, you'll find an album called Screenshots and Screen Recordings. And here, just make sure you're on the correct tab. So I'll be selecting screenshots, and you can see it right here. So this is the screenshot that I've captured just a moment ago. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.